What's up, traders? Matt from the Trade Brigade here doing a technical analysis on ticker symbol BKKT for Bakkt holdings. On the left-hand side, we have the daily time frame, and on the right-hand side, the 30-minute intraday time frame. First things first, this will, of course, be an update. You can see our prior daily roadmap is intact here. And what do we have on our hands? Nothing more than a nice move to the top end of a bull flag. You could even start to classify it as a breakout if you considered the 50 SMA and the 3-day highs here, the breakout level instead. Of course, for me, I'm going to opt for that upper wick that was hanging out here around 842, especially being a little bit more conservative in an aggressive daily downtrend, but nonetheless, nice solid close up there at the highs. The next step is really recapturing this level right here for a continuation higher. So if we take a look at the 30-minute intraday time frame, what has unfolded here? Well, I would first point out that this descending triangle was a fake breakdown. We now have crossed the resistance trend line, correct? And closed relatively strong up there at the highs. You could even just start to classify this as an overall range, look below and fail, right? It's the same exact type of thinking. So two things are being bullish here: the daily bull flag, which we just discussed, and the lack of follow through from the sellers on the 30-minute time frame. From there, we're looking for the opposite to now happen. So if the sellers were not going to materialize, maybe the buyers will, up and over that breakout point 842. The target, as we know, is the prior highs in here from are basically $10 even, okay? That's the first upside target into the remainder of the week. Do keep in mind that earnings will be coming out. I'm not sure if it's after the bell Wednesday or before the bell Thursday, one or the other. It doesn't really change things too much, but it's something to have on your radar if you're trading back. So that's the upside case here, and it does start to look promising, especially if we take out the Fibonacci's. I mean, clearly, if we come in from the lows up to the first high, even if I do something like that, notice that the pullback here, very well respecting that 38.2. Then if we do the full deal, so coming in from the lows up to the highs, I mean, this afternoon volatility pullback never even came close to the prior breakout point here, and psychological number 8, which is also the 38.2. So to me, the bulls are sort of making a stand here for multiple reasons, which we've discussed so far. The only bearish trade in the stock now is if we break down underneath the pullback low, the fake breakdown low, around 660. If for some reason there's a rollover back down to here, and we produce a lower high and attempt it in short proximity of time, so H pattern, right? That's where the larger breakdown happens back into 528. But as the chart currently sits, it's not looking like a likely scenario, especially with the increase in volume on today's session. So that's what I've got for you inside of Bakkt Holdings. Does look more bullish than bearish. If you enjoyed the video or learned anything new today, let me know in the comments section or by giving the video a thumbs up. Don't forget our main channel is linked in the description. And all of that being said, I wish you a green trading week.